Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can add your website link in a Threads app. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So I'm just going to click Threads app. So once I click Threads app, then you can see it's the home page. Then you need to click here. Sorry. The bottom right corner, it's the human icon. So simply click on this. So once you click on this, then you need to click edit profile. This option, edit profile. So simply click on edit profile. Once you click edit profile, then here you'll get the option link, the third option on your screen. So this one, so I already gave a Facebook, but if you want to add more, or you can add www dot for example your website name, your domain name, sorry, your domain name. You can add YouTube channel also. Okay, sorry, and then I just give it domain name and a click, or you can add more if you want. Okay, I think you can add only one, or you can also add YouTube, your Facebook, or any link. So okay friend, after that you need to click done. Once you click done, then it will be added on your profile. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.